In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a persona on HubSpot. Whether you're just starting out with HubSpot or looking to refine your marketing strategies, creating detailed personas can significantly enhance how you connect with your customers. Let's jump right in and guide you through these steps effortlessly. To begin with, open your preferred web browser and type in www.hubspot.com, then click on the login button. This will take you to your HubSpot dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the main navigation bar and look for the settings icon. It resembles a small gear and you'll want to click on it to access the broader settings options. Next, in the left sidebar menu that will appear, navigate down to the section labeled Data Management. Here, click on Properties. This is where HubSpot organizes a lot of its data inputs and outputs, making it a crucial step for setting up your personas. Once you're in the Properties section, utilize the handy search bar to look for the property titled Persona. This search feature can save you a lot of time, especially if you have an extensive list of properties. After finding it, click on Persona to delve into the property settings. Here you might find a list of existing personas if there are any already set up. This view can give you an idea of how personas have been structured in the past. But let's focus on creating a new one. First, you'll want to click on Field Type located on the left panel. This action will reveal related settings. Now, to actually create a new persona, you need to click on the Add Another Persona button. This initiates a fresh template for you to build on. It's your chance to define who your ideal customers really are. Think of it as crafting a detailed sketch of who exactly you are trying to reach with your product or service. Filling in the persona details involves some important fields that you shouldn't skip. Start with a name. These are often catchy and descriptive like Marketing Mary or Startup Steve. Also include the job title, goals and challenges, and demographic information. Consider preferred communication channels as well, so you know the best ways to reach this persona. Identify pain points these personas typically face, and common objections they might have to your product or service. Once you've thoughtfully filled in these details, the final step is to ensure all this valuable information is saved. Simply click the Save button, and just like that, your newly crafted persona will be available for use across your HubSpot contact interactions. That's all there is to it. You've now created a personalized blueprint that will help you target and effectively communicate with your audience. Thanks for following along, and be sure to leverage these personas to create more targeted and effective marketing campaigns. Happy persona building!